Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TROX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $10.35. Now don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $10.35, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at the bottom portion of this consolidation area, right around that $10 mark, give or take a little bit. But these are going to be the two near-term levels. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture. So this certainly assumes that you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1035 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, main level, right up there around, what is that? $10.75. So $10.75 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great movement today, great volume, and now it's just about chipping away and building higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases being built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on building higher lows, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.